Hey guys, it's Grace and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing these beauty tattoos from the brand Who's That Girl? And by the way guys, this is not a sponsored video, so let's get into the video. Alright guys, so the first thing that I need to do is take all the packaging off, but first I really want to show you guys what the inside looks like. So this is what the outside looks like, and then there's this little Velcro you open to the inside. It's so cute, you guys. So these are the tattoo markers you get to put on your face or anywhere you want. And there's some little stickers and a keychain so you can bring it while traveling. So let's get into the time lapse. Alright, so I've finished taking off all the tape, and it's super easy. Once you take off the tape there, all you have to do is just pop it out, and that's what it looks like. And there's just a little bit more tape on the side, and I already took that off, so it's really easy to open. So now I'm going to show you guys the different shapes they have. First one here is this purple one. I'm just going to pop it out. It's really easy. And the nice thing about them is that they all have like little hooks on the bottom there for the keychain, which is perfect because you can bring all of them with you. So let's open this one and see what it is. You guys, it's a little moon. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. So the purple one is a moon, adorable. Now let's move on to the second one, which is this bluish turquoise color on the top. So let's open this one. Again, has a little keychain holder. Let's see what this one is. This one's a star. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So the last one is this beautiful light pink color. That's my favorite color, you guys. So I'm so excited to see which tattoo shape this one is. You guys, it's a heart. I love this one. Okay, out of all of them, so far, I love this one. This is my favorite. And we also get a keychain to bring it on the go, which is great. And we also have these little stickers in here. You can see right there, the little stickers, and we're just gonna put that to the side. I think it's finally time to use these 3 tattoo shapes on my face, so let's go. So the first one I'm going to try is the purple one, and that was the first one we unboxed. So let's see what it looks like. So we're just gonna put it on my face here. Oh, you guys, this one's so cute. So that's what it looks like. I really like this one. It's really nice. So now let's go into the second one, which was the light blue turquoise cap. And this one was a star. There we go. So let's try this one right there. Oh, I love this one too. It's so cute. The last one I'm going to be trying is the pink one. And this is the heart one, and I really love this one. So let's try it. Oh, they're so cute. So this is what the hearts look like. So this is what the final look is. I really love this product, and I'm sure I'll be using it really soon. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and turn on my post notifications to be notified every time I upload a video. I'll see y'all next time. Bye guys!